Hangry fam, you will not believe where we are staying tonight.
MIMARU Hotel!
Let's go in and take a look. I want to show you guys. I almost threw our room card on the balcony.
So excited.
That's how excited I am. All right, let's go in the room and take a look. Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Yes. Oh wow.
Shotgun, sleeping with a giant Snorlax tonight. Andy, you're on the ground, sorry.
Oh, look at that. This must be Snorlax's footprint as well. It's so awesome. We get greeted by all these Pokemons coming out of the wall.
The bathroom. Well, this is the sink area. And then as typical, this is the Japanese style bathroom.
Well, I think it just looks kind of standard. Nothing Pokemon related in here.
No Pokemons in here, guys?
No?
Nope.
Okay. Alright, so the kids' bed's looking pretty normal too. So it's the big bed with the Snorlax and the linen sheets. We've got over here the kitchen. Anything here?
Any Pokemons?
Okay, cutlery. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh yes, we have
Pokemon cup plates, even the bigger plates. Wow, it's like a full-on dining set, Pokeball theme. So cool. Oh yeah, nice one, Flo. Alright, so I just filmed the QR code and it looks like it's showing some recipes for like Pikachu balls.
Oh, is this like a DIY?
Oh yes, because you can hire these pans from downstairs, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because look at how cute that is. It's like a Snorlax
I want that
noodle.
Pokeball hot chocolate in the Pokeball cup.
Oh, look at the Doug trio with like the sausages and egg.
He's so cuddly. Oh my god, it's really heavy.
It looks like a big kid.
Have you met our new baby? Hey, Snorzy. Cheers. It's good, huh?
Okay, quick toilet tour. Let's see what they have here. Oh, I'm so sorry, Snorlax. Sorry, you just keep going, all right, buddy. You just keep going. So they've got a bathroom sink here, and they got, of course, the beautiful robot toilet. So we've got the rear, front, privacy. Okay, so a pretty standard toilet. We'll leave Snorlax here to finish off his business. Sorry, buddy. Sorry.
Take your time. So, how was your day? Not very talkative, huh? He just likes to sleep a lot. Hello, wake up.
Also a cute little study table. Shh, I think Snorlax fallen asleep on the desk.
So as part of a stay here at the Pokemon themed room, you get MIMARU exclusive Pokemon merch. So we're gonna start with this one because I'm curious what this is. Ah, you get a little MIMARU / Pokemon collab grocery bag. Oh yeah, there's Pokeballs on the side.
Anything
and
on the back?
side as well. Nope, nothing on the back.
Okay.
And then you get a Snorlax and Pikachu luggage tag. Look at that, oh my god. And this is where you put your name and address at the back. And last but not least, is this a postcard? This is just a MIMARU welcome card saying have a good time with Pikachu at the front.
Guys, come have a look at the toilet. Have a look inside. I think this Derby's doing a caca, guys. Get out of there. So at this special Pokemon MIMARU collab, they've actually provided the Pokemon game for everyone to play. So you can rent these for free and we're gonna give it a go. Well, this is actually our first time trying the Pokemon game, so we have no idea what to do. Oh, so this got, wow, it's got the cards that you need to play. Got some tokens.
look, a special one. We opened.
Oh wow, they've even been protected. So if you know how to play Pokemon and you didn't bring your Pokemon cards, not to worry, they've got the game and some sets for you to play. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa,
What is it,
Lucario!
Oh, I know Lucario. It's like so shiny.
Whoa. This is the best, a really good one too. Guess what I found?
What is it?
A V Pikachu.
Wow, that looks cool.
One of the best things about staying at a MIMARU hotel is all the free things that you can get or borrow. So you don't have to bring your toothbrushes, you don't have to bring your pajamas even. They provide pajamas, you can come down, grab coffee, tea, toothbrushes, hairbrushes, hair ties, cotton buds, slippers, everything you could possibly need for a comfortable night stay. These are all the things that are available for rent for your stay at MIMARU. So they've literally got everything, like even a hot plate, you can have a barbecue. This is like a massive Bluetooth speaker that you can use if you want to, play some music vibes. Coffee machine, rice cooker, essential, coffee press. Oh, look, even like a blender and stuff if you want to make smoothies, and takoyaki maker. So for the Pokemon recipes that they have in the room that you can make yourself, you just need to go grab the ingredients and rent some of these appliances to make your little cute Pokemon snacks. You can even rent a hair curler. Like I bring my hair straightener everywhere, but hey, you can just grab one here. And look at this, you can get a foot massager. Why didn't we do this last night, Andy?
How comfy is he, guys?
Very
You think you can sleep with him tonight?
Uh-huh.
Alright, Fly, good night.
Good night.
Sweet dreams, buddy.
Bye.
Good night, Raffy. You comfy there? Sweet dreams, guys. Well, that wraps up our tour of the Pokemon room. We've had such a blast. We don't want to go, but unfortunately we have to. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Peace out, Snorlax.